Welcome to Pejaroya Travel YouTube channel. We will bring you an unprecedented experience in this video, so stay with this video until the end. If you think the video is good, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
This is why you need to climb Kilimanjaro. Imagine standing on the roof of Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro stands a breathtaking 5,895 meters tall. It's not just a climb, it's an adventure through 5 unique climate zones, from lush rainforests to icy Arctic peaks. No technical climbing skills, no problem. With determination and preparation, anyone can do it. Picture this: you witnessing a sunrise above the clouds at Uhuru Peak. It's a life-changing experience, a testament to your endurance, mental strength, and physical fitness. To conquer Kilimanjaro, you'll need physical endurance. Train with hiking, cardio, and strength exercises. You'll need mental resilience. The journey is tough, but the reward is indescribable. And don't forget, proper gear and a reliable guide team are essential. If climbing Kilimanjaro is on your bucket list, now is the time to make it happen. Stay connected for expert tips and everything you need to prepare for this incredible journey. Ready to take the first step towards the summit of Africa? Let's go beyond the border.